Hello parents and my dear students. I, Mahesh Naik, a member of the sports department of Sanskriti group of schools. Today we are going to do some body balancing exercise. So let's begin. Okay, in this we would require some soft toys. Now I have only two soft toys, so it's okay. The number of soft toys doesn't matter at all. So what I'm going to do is, this works on my core. It works on my core and my body balancing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to either fix the nose or something here, a ear or something like that of the soft toy in my leg, and then I'm slowly going to lift it up. So when I lift it up, I see to it that my body is erect, and then I slowly pick it up with my hands, keep it, and I keep it down. The next one, I again pick it up, I pick it up, I keep my body erect, lift it with my hands, and keep it to the other side. The same thing I'm going to repeat it on the other side. When I'm doing so, what happens is, the body balance improves, where you put your whole body weight on the other leg. I pick it up, I keep it to the other side. The same way, I pick it up, my body is straight, I hold it and keep it down. The number of repetitions are given in the program. Okay, another variation in this exercise, what we are going to do is, now this will become easy. So now I'm picking up, I hold it. Now when I'm keeping this teddy bear down, I don't touch this leg to the floor. So I go down. So again my balancing is there, and I come up straight. Same thing again. I hold this. I lift up the soft toy. I balance. I don't touch my leg down, and I go down and keep it. So this is also the same thing we do it with the other leg. Okay, the next exercise will require a small tub or a bucket, anything would do. Where I am doing is, I'm just stepping in and out. I move out. Again, I step in. So they have to know where they are stepping in. They move, they step to the sides, they can topple off like this. So what you need to do is check, check and check. Okay, the same thing. Now we can do a crossover. So what is a crossover? I step on this and I cross over. Another thing, I step on this, I cross over. So this is a simple step in and step out. The next thing what we are going to do is an animal toss. Animal toss in the sense, the soft toys whatever we have. Okay, the first variation is, we keep the tub. The distance can vary according to each and every child. So now I'm keeping it here. So what I do is, I try and throw it in the bucket. Okay, so or the tub, whatever. So this was easy. The next thing what we do is, we can either increase the distance between the person and the bucket, and with that we will increase the difficulty level of doing it on one leg or single leg. So I hold, I balance myself, I concentrate, and I throw it in the bucket. Again, see, this is what is not needed. You have to be stationary and steady, and I throw it in the bucket.
Start.
Okay, the next exercise is for your core also. So what we do is, we keep the same toys. Okay, we hold it in our leg, and now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try and throw it in the bucket with my leg. So again, I take my legs close, I relax, I put this on my legs, I take it and I throw it. So if this position where the kid extends and they cannot balance, it's okay. What we can do is, we'll have a variation out there. I keep it, I keep my hands rested, and I go and I throw it. Again, come forward, I keep it and I throw it. So this is a very good body balancing exercise workout where we work on our core. So this was our body balancing exercise video. Hope you all do it. The number of repetitions and sets are given in the program. So enjoy your workouts. Stay home, stay safe.